up, guys? This is Dana from Russell's Ocean State Harley-Davidson here in Warwick and Exeter, Rhode Island. I'm out here right now with this Road Glide Special in new color for this year. This is Billiard Red. It's pretty cool. It doesn't have any metal flake in it. It's kind of like the other Billiard paints, with like a flatter paint. Kind of like the Vivid Black. It has no flake in it, but it's still a solid color. This boy's got the Milwaukee 8114, all blacked out components, including the front legs, also blacked out painted interference. Got the Boombox GTS infotainment system. This is like, nice thing about the Road Glides is they have a nice large space to put your media device, so you don't have to jam it in there. The specials have these stretch bags. Road Glides have these really cool dual LED lights, plenty of light at night, dual disc brakes. Let's start this bike so you can hear it run. Come on down to Ocean State Harley-Davidson, guys. Locations in Warwick and Exeter, Rhode Island. See our full current inventory online at oceanstatehd.com. Appreciate you watching, guys. Hope you have a fantastic day.